So this weekend, I'm home alone with the girls simply because my wife has gone to Orlando, Florida for a wedding. Well, I kind of felt that maybe it would be a good idea to spend the weekend with my girls, see how well I handle that. So yeah, my wife should be back on Monday, and let's just see how that goes.
See why we're making pancakes. Daddy, you forgot to put the butter in.
The butter to cook it.
Whoa! Can I do it? I'm gonna do it. Now some more. Whoa! It's getting pancakey.
Are you guys ready?
Debbie know me. Imagine if I never met the broskies. God's plan. Mama tell me, say, begin no, one day you go blow.
Grab your coke.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
So today's Sunday and it's Palm Sunday. Me and the girls had a wonderful time yesterday. We went to the movies and then I brought them over to one of our family friends' place so that they can have a sleepover. And guess what happened? I ended up having a sleepover also, but unfortunately I didn't bring a change of clothes, so I have to run home now while the girls are still in the house chilling and having a wonderful time with their little friends. But again, this is Sunday and hopefully it's a good day also. Well, it will be.
It wouldn't be bad to get along with running. It wouldn't be bad. And to the contrary, the other cat.